we arrived to destination and climbing down to, or declining to Balos beach. And obviously last 7 kilometers with little higher car was horrible because the road was almost like this, and now it's really rocky as well. Luckily weather conditions are really good because it's not so bright sunny, and it's quite windy, which helps. This is how surroundings looks. So it's about 2 kilometers down to the beach, and very rocky path like this. All we paid to entry, it was €2 for a car. Parking is free of charge. I hope we will come back with not damaged car, otherwise, you know, it's gonna be a huge excess charge. We got full insurance anyway, but yeah, not quite pleasant thing. So hopefully we'll be fine, and I hope we will enjoy Balos beach, and we'll make some nice videos for you. See you soon. Just reached the edge of the cliff, and we saw first sip of this I don't know, is it beach or whatever, it's like a little muddy something. I hope there's something better over there because it's like something muddy thing. But yeah, I don't know the rest of that Balos beach like that. Well, I hope so very much. Hello guys, as promised, video from Balos beach. As you can see, weather conditions are quite good. It's very windy, probably there will be lots of wind in video, but coming here, yeah, again, difficult to say. So if you don't get your car damaged on the way here, so that means it was worth it. If your car is damaged and you have to pay excess of €1,000 or €800, could be little trouble then, slightly too expensive. We have extra insurance on our car, so, and I took the risk coming here by car. Some people coming on this boat, and the price is quite good. On that boat you can come from Kisaros and you pay €25 each, which is fair price. So we didn't pay anything, €2 for entry, so that's all we paid. Parking was for free. And then we need to go. We will probably finish in half an hour, like up to the mountain there, and there's a car park. Going back home, and there's a 7 kilometers of really bad very bad and dangerous road. Obviously without any surface. No, it's just what you would call, I don't know the name. Yeah, but it's just almost driving like on the stones and the rock. And oh, what I see there? Big fish swimming. No, it's some sort of stick. Not sea snakes. I don't want sea snakes. So again, yes, it was worth to come here. Obviously, after Thailand or Philippines or something like that exotic, it's nothing special. But for a little island of Crete, it's quite brilliant place. So I will say bye bye now and see you in another video from another place.